so we've made our graph using Google Sheets, and I use the same sort of thing if you use Excel, but Google Sheets is a good one to use at the moment. So you've got types of chips, how it should say how people, you should say how many. And if I edit this one up here, how many, oops, not capitals, how many, enter. It should update it there eventually. Not quite sure why it's not. It might be just taking a while. How people, why is it saying that? Okay, well, not going to worry about that for now. But what we can do also is we can do a couple of things. We've got the total, we've got the average. Let's do the max, as in the maximum amount. You know which one, what was the highest amount? We know it's going to be 40, but let's see how we can get it to do it automatically. So we go equal max. And it suggested B2 to B7, and it's highlighted our suggestion. So we go, yeah, that's what I want to do. Good, well done. Press enter, and maximum is 40. So that's pretty cool. We go up here, and we can now highlight that. What we'd also really like is to get these colors. Wouldn't it be cool to get them to change color? So we get the highest number will be a different color. So if we go here and we click on format, we can do something called conditional formatting. We go to color scales, and we can choose a different color, like maybe this one. And you can see now it's changed the colors based on the numbers. You see the 40 is most green, and then these ones have gone red. Okay, so so this is a really, really good way to try out some graphs, but you do need to know how to plot them on paper. But you can do them in a number of different ways, like this. And we can actually we can change this into a pie chart as well. So let's see if I can work out how to do that. So we're going to go to up here, edit chart, and we've got a column chart, but we could make it a pie chart. Let's click on this one. Oh, now we've got a pie chart. So and you have to think about the data that you've got. Which one would be right? Now, clearly, it's going to be 40% because it's 40 people out of 100, so it's going to be 40%. But if we change that to say 50, it's not going to be 50%. It's going to be 45.5 because it's not out of 100, it's out of 110 now. Let's change that back to 40. Anyway, so that is how to do graphs on Google Sheets. Okay.